Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick tutorial today to show you how to get F1 25 for free on all platforms. This is available of course on PlayStation, Xbox, PC or Steam, and I'm going to run through these steps that you need to take, guys, and this is going to get you a free digital game code that you can redeem on your platform of choice, and it's going to supply you with F1 25 for free. And this game is really expensive as per usual, guys, costing around 60 Great British pounds. So let me run through these steps that you need to take, guys, and it takes a few minutes to do this, but it is saving you a bunch of money, so it is well worth it. And this game is pretty highly rated, and yeah, let's get into it. So you need to use a mobile. I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter which phone you have. You need to go to this website on your mobile phone internet, www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this directly into your internet to go to Cold Coupons, and this website, let's go to it. This website has loads of different game codes on, as you can see. You can scroll through and have a look what else they have, but there is a search bar. So if you just go to there and search for F1 25, you're looking for this page, guys, the F1 25 free game code page. As you can see, guys, these are verified. There is tons of them remaining. This is going to give you a free game code for all platforms, Xbox, PlayStation, PC or Steam. Highly rated as well. And like I said, guys, this is going to get you a digital game code that you can literally enter. So if you play on Xbox, you enter this into the Microsoft Store, and it's going to get you F1 25 fully downloaded and the full game as well. So it says here, your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So if this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you will need to unlock your digital game code. I've already done this, and it does limit one code because they are of course limited. So you can only get one copy of the game, and I've already got mine. So you need to basically unlock your game code. It does take about 5 minutes. I had to personally complete a couple of free tasks. I had to do a free mobile application download, and then also a free survey. But once I did that, my digital game code was revealed, and I literally entered it. I play on PlayStation 5, so I entered it into the PSN store, and it got me F1 25. So that's probably the easiest method to get F1 25 for free, and it is saving you a bunch of money. You do have to complete a couple of those free tasks, which does take about 5 minutes, but I think it's worth it. But yeah, give it a go, guys, and let me know what you think of the game as well. So just head on over to Cold Coupons and find this F1 25 free game code page and enjoy. Smash the like button if you got your free copy of the game, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.